Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Clean the barrel with isopropyl 70% and a lint-free cloth so adhesive bonds. Dry it completely. Once done, measure the sticker position, center the decal and place it about 1/2 inch from the end cap for balance. Peel only a corner of the backing, align the exposed edge carefully, and press that side down to lock position. This avoids shifting. Make sure to work in good light so your alignment is precise. You now smooth and secure the sticker. Use a squeegee or a stiff credit card and press from the center outward with firm, even strokes to expel air. Once done, if you feel a crease or trapped air, lift a small section and reapply slowly rather than forcing it. This prevents permanent folds. To improve adhesion and conform the decal to slight curves, heat the area gently with a hair dryer on low at about 3-6 inches away, moving constantly so you don't overheat the finish. You finish by trimming any excess sticker with a fresh razor, rotating the bat and making shallow passes so you don't nick finish. Once done, press all edges firmly for 30 to 60 seconds and allow the adhesive to cure for 24 hours before heavy use. If small bubbles remain, pierce them with a fine needle and press the air out toward the hole. If you encounter a large tear, remove and reapply a new sticker rather than forcing it, which can peel finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.